Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I actually have a little unboxing to do because I just purchased a few products from Josie Maran Cosmetics, and y'all know I love Josie Maran's argan oil. That's like one of the things that's like tried and true and will always be in my skincare routine. But she just came out with two new products called Skin Dope. One of them is argan oil mixed with hemp seed oil, and then the other is argan oil mixed with CBD oil. So the difference is that hemp oil contains no CBD. There's no cannabidiol properties in that one. All it is just pure argan oil mixed with pure hemp seed oil, which provides a lot of omegas and healthy fatty acids into your skin. And then the other is CBD oil with argan oil, so it has cannabidiol properties, but it doesn't have any THC. Neither of them have THC in them, which provides like the psychoactive effect, so neither of these do that. They won't provide any mind-altering things, so you don't have to worry about that. It doesn't show up on drug tests, anything like that. Now what CBD is it's short for cannabidiol, and that is a compound that's found in the hemp plant that provides medical benefits. So it helps with relief from inflammation, pain, anxiety, and there's also a lot of benefits for animals too. We have friends who have pets that are on CBD oil to help with seizures. My dog takes CBD for anxiety as well. And it's very interesting to see like what the benefits are and how it helps people in a multitude of ways. I take CBD daily. I use the brand Charlotte's Web because it is the one that I can get at my local like health food store, and it's one of the best brands out there for CBD. Anyways, as soon as I saw that Josie was coming out with a CBD argan oil, I was like, whoa, that sounds so cool. I wonder what the benefits are for it. So I was super excited to hear that she was coming out with that. So when it finally became available, I had to purchase it like ASAP. So I'm going to open this up and see what I got. So inside the box is another box, a white box here. And let's see what's inside. Ooh. Okay, so it's kind of cool. So when I purchased these, I got them from skindope.com, which is their other website, because they can't sell it on Josie's website because you have to be 18 and older to purchase it, but you don't have to be 18 or older to use it. You can use it at a younger age, but you just have to have like a parent or guardian buy it for you. But anyways, so I got these from skindope.com, but you can purchase the hemp oil one on Josie's website, and then I believe that you can get that on QVC as well. And then I just read that starting in February, she is going to be selling her both Skin Dopes at Sephora. So you can get the CBD one and the hemp one both at Sephora. So that's really cool because it gives you easier access as well to get these products. So it says radically real, powerfully pure. And then it has her at Skin Dope for their Instagram account. So in here we have, ooh, a little gift. We got this little bag here. Oh, how awesome. It comes with a Palo Santo stick. I love the smell of Palo Santo. It smells so good. And then she gave us a little box of matches, so that's cool. It's like a nice little cleansing thing. Cleanse your energy and purify your spirit with Palo Santo. Burn for 30 seconds to a minute and then carefully blow it out. I love Palo Santo. I use that like all the time in our house and at my dad's store. We like to burn it and it just smells so good. So here it is. We have the two Skin Dopes here, and you can tell that they're different because one is Skin Dope Organic Glow Oil, which is the hemp one, and then the Skin Dope Argan Oil plus 100 milligrams of CBD. So that is super awesome. The packaging is really nice, actually. I like this. So first on this Josie Maran Skin Dope Organic Glow Oil, it says 50% argan oil, 50% hemp seed oil, super omega 3, 6, and 9. It's 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 ounces, which is the same size that her regular argan oil comes in. On the back here, it says, organic hemp seed oil and argan oil deliver a complex of essential 3, 6, 9 omega fatty acids, hydrates and nourishes for glowing, more resilient looking skin, ideal for dry, dull, tired looking skin, and then it says how to use. Warm 2 to 4 drops in hands and gently apply over the face for dewy, glowing skin. Can be used on body and any targeted skin areas to soothe and condition. So that sounds pretty nice. So it sounds like it's great for if you have dry skin. If you have normal skin, I'm sure you can use this just as well. It's full of naturally derived and organic ingredients. Organic argan oil, synthetic fragrance free, so no synthetic fragrances. That is awesome. I can't stand those. Paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, formaldehyde free, gluten free, cruelty free, vegan, recyclable. Ingredients: argan kernel oil, cannabis sativa seed oil, which is just hemp seed oil, made in the United States. So that's super awesome. I really love that. So I haven't tried either of these. I haven't, been to Sephora to see them or anything like that. So here we go. This is the Skin Dope Organic Glow Oil. This is what it looks like. It's the same size bottle, like I said, as her regular argan oil. And then on the side it just says warm 2 to 4 drops in hands and gently apply over the face for dewy, glowing skin. Can be used on body and any targeted skin areas to help soothe and condition. And then it just says made in the USA, 50% argan, 50% hemp seed, super omegas. So I'm super excited to test this. So it's like the nice golden color like her regular oil is. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. It just smells like her regular argan oil. There it is there. It's really silky. I'm blending it in with my finger right now so we can see how that goes. My hand was dry, by the way. I didn't put any moisturizer on specifically so I could try this out on my hand. And so far it's really nice. It feels like silk. And it's blending into my skin really nicely. It doesn't feel greasy or oily or anything. It just leaves your skin looking really glowy and hydrated, actually. I really like this. I'm excited to try this out. On her website and Instagram, she's been talking about how you should use this one during the day and then the CBD oil one at night to help you sleep better and rejuvenate your skin. But I really like this. This one looks really nice. I'm definitely excited to try this one. It feels really soft, like I said. My skin looks way more hydrated than it was. And yeah, I'm really excited to see that and see how my skin works with it. I've tried using just regular hemp seed oil on my skin and I've really liked that in the past as well. And so I'm excited to try this out. It seems like now that, it's set for a few seconds, it's definitely less shiny. So that's good. I think it'll probably be great under makeup as well. And yeah, I'm super excited to try that out. So next is the Josie Maran Skin Dope Argan Oil plus 100 milligrams CBD, non-psychoactive it says. This soothing oil unites Josie's renowned cold-pressed argan oil with organic, sustainably grown full-spectrum CBD. We are committed to cultivating the highest quality ingredients that work in harmony with the environment and its community. Plant-powered argan and full-spectrum CBD oil blend. Full-spectrum CBD means that it uses the leaves, the stems, and the flowers, so you get all the benefits of the whole plant. And then next it says delivers nourishing essential amino acids, omega fatty acids, and phytonutrients, ideal for dry, sensitive, and fatigued skin. It says how to use: warm 2 to 4 drops in hands and gently apply over the face. Can be used anywhere on the body that is in need of soothing magic. What I read on her website and Instagram is that it's great for eczema, which I've also heard before that CBD in general is great for eczema. It's great for rosacea and psoriasis, and I've also been reading on Josie's website that it's really good for acne because that's stressed skin. And so when people have been commenting, asking her which one is good for acne, she's been saying that the CBD one is more important for acne than the hemp seed. And this one says the same thing, full of naturally derived and organic ingredients, organic argan oil, synthetic fragrance free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, formaldehyde free, gluten free, cruelty free, vegan, recyclable. And the ingredients are argan kernel oil, CBD rich hemp extract. They get their hemp from Humboldt County, which is a very big area of marijuana and hemp plants. And so they get their CBD plant from up there. I'm super excited to try this out and see how it works. We're gonna open it up. The bottle is beautiful. So here's what it looks like. It's so pretty. So argan oil plus 100 milligrams of CBD, non-psychoactive. This is also 50 milliliters, 1.7 ounces, just like the other one, just like the regular argan oil. It says warm 2 to 4 drops in hands and gently apply over the face. Can also be used anywhere in the body that is in need of its soothing magic. Made in the USA. So yeah, like I said, this is supposed to be really great for acne, eczema. It's supposed to help with headaches. That she was talking about that, like if you get a headache, you just apply it on your head, on your forehead, and your temples. And yeah, I'm super excited to try this one. I've literally been like counting down the days until I could get this, so I'm super excited. So this one is a little bit more clear. The other one is more yellow because of the hemp seed oil, whereas this one's pure argan oil and CBD added. So I'm gonna put a little drop of this over here on this side of my hand. So this one's just clear. And then let me rub it into my hand. Both of them smell really good. It feels really nice and silky on the skin. The other one actually here, you can see that it dried down a little bit more and absorbed into my skin, and then this one over here is like the fresh area. It feels really nice. I'm really excited to try this. I know this is just like my first impressions video of this, but my plan is to test both of them out for the next few weeks and see how they work with my skin, and then I will come back with like an updated review on these two products. But I just wanted to show you like how excited I was to get these and like my first impressions of them. So far I'm very impressed, and I hope that you know, with use of this on my face, that it will, you know, provide nutrients and provide benefits to my skin, and then I will let you guys know you know, what my thoughts were on them. So I'm definitely gonna be using this on my face tonight. I'm really excited to try this out. And then tomorrow I'm gonna use the hemp seed one in the morning just to see how that one works with my skin throughout the day. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting so long. This is just like, it's super exciting. And it's really exciting that a big skincare company like hers is starting to come out with products that are made out of CBD, because it's such a beneficial nutrient for us, and it's really cool that there's like more information coming out about it, you know, and all the benefits of it. I've been taking CBD now for around 5 months, I think. I was taking a CBD oil that was meant for ingesting. This one's not meant for ingesting. This one's just for topical use. I was taking a ingestible CBD oil, and now I've gone on to taking CBD capsules. I take one every single day, and then I take it for like menstrual cramps, because I get like the worst cramps where I'm like on like heavy duty painkillers all day long and for like multiple days, and it's just not fun. I mean, I literally can't get out of bed at that point. So I was recommended to start taking CBD by a friend, and I won't ever not take CBD now because it's helped me tremendously. Like, I've gone from taking 2 different types of painkillers like every day of my period to taking CBD with only one of my painkillers like for the first like 3 days. It's really provided a lot of benefits for me. I also noticed like on days that I don't take it, I'm a little bit more anxious than days that I do take my CBD, which is pretty much every day. But you know, I've had a few days where I've like accidentally missed it, because I usually take it every morning, and if I'm running late or something, then I like accidentally forget to take it. But I mean, I've been taking it primarily every single day, and it's added like such a huge benefit to my life. Like, I can actually go out and do things during that time of the month that's like very, very uncomfortable, where I can't even move. So I am a huge believer in CBD. It's also helping my dog, because he is a rescue and he was abused by his previous owners, so he struggles with being very, very anxious around, you know, other animals, with sounds, with cars or motorcycles or bicyclists. Like, he has a lot of issues with that. But when he takes his little CBD treats that we give him, he's a lot more calm, and he is a lot less like reactive to that kind of stuff. So that's really cool. I'm super excited to try this to see how it reacts with my skin, which is perfect timing too, because I've been having a lot of like eczema flare-ups with my skin. So I'm super excited to see how this works with me, and to see how other people like it too. So I'll be testing it out for the rest of this month and letting you guys know what my thoughts were on this. So if you want to see that video, let me know in the comments down below. And actually, have you tried CBD for yourself? I feel like people don't talk about it enough. So it's really interesting to hear what other people have to say about it. So if you've taken CBD, let me know. Or if you've tried any other CBD like beauty products, I would love to know about that too, because this is like the first I've seen of it. So thanks so much for watching and seeing my little first impressions of this. Sebastian, let's chill. You boys are being crazy right now. Oh my god, these animals are being... I have Jackson here, my dog, and he's like chewing on a cat toy, and then I got my cat in here and he's playing with all of the like packaging materials. So it's like a wild jungle animal cruise over here. So thank you guys so much for watching my little first impressions video of this, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks, bye!